Hey everyone, newest addition to our house are these Sylvania Smart Plus full color flex strips kit. I'm using them behind the TV here. So the kit comes with three 2-foot strips and the power supply and the Zigbee radio in this case to control the LEDs. So I have it connected to SmartThings. As you can see, it came with three. I'm going to need to order their expansion pack to fill in the bottom of the TV there, but super easy to pair to SmartThings. Pairs out of the box. You can control the colors from the app. You can also control it from your by voice. So, Alexa, turn TV bias lights red.
Okay.
So, you want to set the color for different seasons or events, things like that. But like I said, pretty easy to install and get set up. Now, since these are connected to SmartThings, I also have them connected to some automations. So I also have a Harmony hub that controls my TV and receiver here for my surround sound. So I have a smart lighting rule set up to automatically turn on and off with those Harmony activities. So Alexa, turn off the TV.
Okay.
So when that Harmony activity runs, it turns off the lights and everything on that Harmony activity. Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
So same thing when you turn it on, it syncs them back and forth. So that's just using the mirror function in smart lighting. Another cool thing, so you know we live in Denver here, so we pull for the Broncos. So I have an if rule that turns on a switch in SmartThings for a Broncos game. Since it's not playing, I'll manually turn it on. So Alexa, turn on Broncos game.
Okay.
That's where it gets fun. So it sets this scene. I also have a color bulb here. You can see one of my other videos. I also have the strips under the cabinets. So these are normally white, of course. And I also have the strips out here. So I have a rule that takes these strips and changes them between orange and blue every 10 seconds through SmartThings. So just some fun stuff you can do with these.